Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Have you ever heard someone say they put something on the back burner? This phrase refers to delaying or postponing a task or project. It's like simmering something on low heat at the back of the stove. Putting something on the back burner allows you to focus on more urgent matters. You're not forgetting about it, just setting it aside for now. This can be a strategy to prioritize tasks or manage your time effectively. However, be careful not to leave things on the back burner for too long. Some tasks may need attention sooner rather than later. It's important to reassess what's on the back burner regularly. Adjust your priorities to ensure nothing vital is left unattended. Remember, the back burner is not a place for long-term storage of tasks. It's a temporary holding spot until you can address them properly. Resist the temptation to use the back burner as an excuse for procrastination. Be mindful of what you're putting on hold and why. Communication is key when it comes to putting things on the back burner. Let others know if there are delays or changes in priorities. This can prevent misunderstandings or missed deadlines. Sometimes putting things on the back burner can lead to innovative solutions. Taking a step back can help you see things from a different perspective. It can also give you time to gather more information or resources. Don't be afraid to reevaluate your tasks and make adjustments as needed. Remember, it's all about balancing your workload effectively. Think of the back burner as a tool and not a crutch. Use it strategically to stay organized and focused. So, the next time you find yourself overwhelmed, consider putting something on the back burner temporarily. If you enjoyed this essential English session, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.